Welcome home to 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom S-style floor plan featuring 1071 square feet. We're currently standing in the entry hall of this home. We have a coat closet here, offering some great storage space. And then you also have your in-home stacked washer and dryer. Across from there, you have a secondary bedroom, large windows with window coverings. In this room, you also have a nice sized walk-in closet. And across, you have your secondary bathroom, large vanity, dual flush toilet, and white subway tile in the tub and shower. Back off of the entry hall, you have your open concept living and dining space, large windows in the living room. You also have a balcony. And there's your kitchen, which is open concept, silestone counters, stainless steel appliances, great cabinet space. Here we have the master bedroom. Again, large windows, great space. You have a hallway with more closet space. Here's the master bath. Again, white subway tile in the tub and shower, dual flush toilet, and a nice size vanity. For closet space, you have a linen closet. And then you also have your clothes closet. Nice sunlight in here. And then it brings you back out into your open concept living and dining space. And that is our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom S-style floor plan.